TechLane. Hi, welcome back to KRISHNA'S TechLane. Now I am starting Java tutorials. First, I need to open my Eclipse itself. First, we will go with the from the basics itself. Data types in Java, string concatenation, what is system.out.println, different comparison operators in Java. We will see in this video all these the basics. Yeah, click on file, create one new project, new, click on this project option. We are going to be creating Java project here. Click on Java project, give the proper naming convention to that project. Here I am giving my environment JRE also, that is 1.8. I am going to be clicking on next. Yeah, now my project is created here. See, here I got one JRE system library with that required jars itself. Another one I got SRC source folder. Here nothing is there. Here I need to create one more package. Java Basics is my package. Java Basics 1 is my package here. In this package, I am going to be creating class. Package means creating a folder itself. Class name should be starts with caps letter, means uppercase. Here I am giving data types. Just click on this main method, check mark this one, click on finish. We got a new class itself. These are all auto generated comments itself. Here we can say what is a package and what is a class differences here. Why package is here the Java basics 1, why it is ended with the semicolon, means this is a statement. Every statement ends with the semicolon itself in Java. Why this main method, why this public static void main string args, why it is not ended with the semicolon, means it is a method, main method here. While when we are comparing with that method and the statement, both are the difference here. We will see in deep in next other sessions itself. First data type 1, int. Int is a keyword to declare an integer itself. Keywords are starting with a small letter itself. Why these lines are coming in green means in this line starting I am giving here the double slashes itself, means I am commenting this line. When we are running the code, it is not going to be executed. Int is a keyword to declare integer. How to declare here? Int I equals to giving some value like this 10. Next, int again I equals to 20. What it means here, the duplication, it is not at all going to be allowing. If I am removing here int, means it will allows. Now what is here, the latest value of the I means 20 here. The duplication is not possible. Next, int j equals to some 30. Int k equals to 40. Now I want to give some value like this, int l equals to 14.33 or else 22, like this. It cannot be going to be accepting. Why? Because it is a double value, means we are giving here the decimals itself. It cannot going to be accepting. Why? Because int means it will be a integer values, it should be going to be taking in on it. Okay, I can give like this also values. Int m equals to -1. It will be accepting. Why? Because it is an integer value. Next one, double. Double is a keyword to declare decimal values. Double d equals to some 12.33. double equals to some 14.44. I can store here the integer values in double, but I cannot store integer in double itself. See here, double d2, or else f equals to some 13. See, it is not throwing any error itself. Next data type is char. Char is a keyword. To declare single digit values. And should be written in single quotes. Char c1 equals to a. See, if I am not writing in that single quotes means it is throwing an error. See, a cannot be resolved to a variable. I need to, if I am creating like this, it is not throwing me any error. Char c2 equals to some b. Char c3 equals to next one. 4 is boolean, means it cannot store any other values, either true or false. Boolean is a keyword. Boolean b1 equals to true. Boolean b2 equals to false. Here having one IQ question itself, true or false. Boolean is is a keyword or value. These are all values, but these are keywords. We already these are all already available in the Java itself. I will repeat once again. Here having one IQ question. Boolean values are true or false. Is our keywords or values. These are these are all values, but these are our keywords. We are already defining. They are already available in the Java itself. Next, fifth one is a string. String is a class, not a data type. String s1 equals to should be written in double quotes. Hello world, like this. S2 equals to 12.33. Like this I am giving that double values. It is taking as string itself. S3 equals to, this time I will pass here the integer value. Like this. Here if we observe, means here we are getting some errors itself. Means these values are local, not used. If I am using means, these are all errors will be going to be throwing out. Like, see here. system.out.println. What I need to print here means I plus j. We can do it here as a shortcut also. Type SYSO control space. We are getting the full length of the statement. I plus j. I am going to be printing here. Here I am printing d plus e. Here I am printing c1 comma c2 comma c3. If I'm giving with the comma separators, it cannot be accepting. I'm adding some other values also. K plus L plus M here plus C2 also I'm adding here. I'm going to be printing in this string S1. I'm going to be printing here. Click on here anywhere, right click, run as Java application. From the console we are getting the output itself. See here 20 plus 30 50, 50 plus 40 90, 90 plus 14 means 104. Here M value is -1, it will comes as 103. 12.33, 14.44, and the F value is 13. Here it is considering as .00 automatically for this 13. This is the output value. Next one, I'm going to be creating another class for string concatenation. Click on this main method. Yeah. Yes. Defining here int a equals to some value 100, int b equals to 200, double c equals to 12.33, double d equals to 10.33, string x equals to hello, string y equals to old. Here I am doing the concatenation operation. See here SYSO control space. Here I am printing a plus b, means the output should be 100 plus 200 equals to 300. Here plus is a concatenation operator. If I run this program, see 300 I got. Again I am printing like this. X plus y. Next I want to print like this. A plus b plus x plus y. Here what will be, we are getting this output itself. X plus y means we are getting hello world. If we are giving here, if we are giving like this, a plus b plus x plus y means what we are getting, the output means 300 plus hello world. We will see it now. See here. Now I want to give like this. X plus y plus a plus b. Now what we are getting, the output means hello world 100 comma 200, 100 plus 200. I will write like this, the outputs. If we run it, what we got, we will get the clarity. Okay. Next one, if I write like this, what will be the output? X plus y inside the bracket a plus b. If I write like this, what is my output means? Hello world 300. I will run and show it to you. Here getting that an exception like this, string concatenation, main concatenation error like this. Why? Because I missed here the concatenation operation. See here, hello world 300, I got it. Next one, if my input is like this, a plus b plus x plus y plus again a plus b. Now what will be my input? I'm expecting like this. The output value is 300. Hello. Hello world. 100. 200. The same output. The output is matched. How I am able to getting this value means a plus b. First here till here it is going to be doing the operation, means a value is 100, b value is 200. Next, with that, what is that x plus y value? Hello world. Again, after that, why it is printing a value equals to 100, b value equals to 200, means here the concatenation operator is going to be like this. The operation will be going to be doing like this. From the left to right it is going to be doing. Till now we seen all these types, right? Here we will come to know what is here that system.out.println means. System is a final class in Java language package. Out is a static member field of system class, and we can call it as a type of print stream also. It can access specifiers are public or final. We can use this out keyword. Okay. Next one is println, means is a method in the print stream class. Print is used to print on the console. If we are giving the ln means getting in the new line. Next we will see that comparison operators. With the next class, I am going to be opening another class itself. Like this, I am giving the class name. Here I am writing like this, giving some values. A int a equals to 10, int b equals to 20. Now I want to compare these two variables. For it I am writing if. After if, I am defining here a condition, boolean condition. B is greater than A. Print B is greater than A. Print it. Next, I am writing here the else condition. Else A is greater than B. Here I am going to be comparing this condition with the different comparison operators. Here we are having the comparison operators. greater than, sorry, less than, greater than, greater than or equals to, sorry, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, equals to, not null, not null, equals to, like this. These are all the comparison operators. If we are giving 1 equals to means it will assign, it is a assign, it is a assign operator in Java. Because of that we are using equals to equals to. If I run this means here b is greater than a means what will be the my output means here the b value is 20, a value is 10, means it will goes to the if condition itself. See here, printing only b is greater than a. If I want to print this else condition means here I'm giving the value is like this. A is greater than b. Now again I am taking some other values like int c equals to 40, d equals to 40. Here I am writing a condition like this. If c equals to d, print c and d are equal. Right? Else c and d are not equal. See, if I run this code means what will be my output is means it will always goes through this c values itself, means if condition itself. Why? Because c is 40, d is 40. C and D are equal. See, if I am changing my value here means what will be my output? C and D are not equal. It is going through else condition itself. Next, here I am writing a logic for to find the highest number. Using this if else condition. int a equals to 100, int b equals to sum 200. So I will use that a1 b1 equals to, already I already used those values in the uppercase. c1 equals to some value 300, like this. Here I am writing this nested if else condition. If a1 is greater than b1 and a1 is greater than c1, so yes, print a is the greatest next. After this one, else if b1 is greater than c1, print b is greater. Next, else print here c is greater. Here what will be my output? I will write like this, we will get some clarity. Where we are opening the braces, where we are closing. If I am running, this means a is greater than b, c is greater than, c and d are not equal, c is greater. This is for this loop, the output is c is greater. Why? Because here the c value is 300. Here I am changing a1 equals to 400, a2 equals to 500. Now what will be my output? b is greater. If I am changing a1 value equals to 600. Now my output is a is greatest. Like this we can write the highest number of the logic itself. Okay, thank you friends, thanks for watching.